Namo Narayanaaya. The 64th sloka, Anivarti Nivrittatma Samkshepta Shemakruchivaha Trivatsavakshaha Srivasaha Sripatihi Srimatambaraha. This is 596 words. Anivarti means he won't turn back in the war. While facing the enemies, he won't give his back. Nivrittatma, from his indriyas, he all naturally turned away. We have to make a lot of effort to turn our indriyas. Eyes are looking outward, things. Tongue wanted to eat something. Ears wanted to hear music. When you are disturbed all through by the five senses, he is naturally undisturbed, and that is the idea. So the mind is always, he is not bothered at all. They are all under his control. Samkshepta, that means Samkshepta means Samkshepta Samachar, we hear it. That is very summarized in a small way it is to be done. So the whole world, cosmos is reduced to small thing and it is absorbed in him at the time of Pralayam, deluge, what we call it. Kshemakrit Shivaha, 1 minute. Kshemakrit means he is, whoever is taking his shelter, he is protecting them. Rama confirmed that particular thing. Whoever takes my name and calls for shelter, even Vibhishana, who is the enemy's brother, he could take shelter under him. Shiva means by the very touch, very thinking of his name, he will make us sacred, pious. He makes us pure. So Shiva. Srivatsavakshaha. Srivatsa is a precious stone which is always in his chest. Srivatsavakshaha. Srivasaha. Sri Lakshmi is there in his chest as her residence. Sripatihi. You may say he is the husband of the Lakshmi, or Parashakti is there. We call it Sri Mata. For her also he is the husband. In Ksherasagara, when Divine Mother came, Lakshmi, she refused to see all the deities and directly went to the Vishnu. So that is how Sri Matambaraha. Sri Matambaraha means he is beyond all Brahmas. Brahma was after all created by him only. So that is the position. Ruchaha Samani Yajugumsi Sahi Sri Ramurta Satam. Taitropanishad says. That means Ruk, Ajas, Sama, all these Vedas, three. For all that, he is the source and strength. Sri Matambaraha. That is another meaning of this particular thing. So here, nothing else to point out. He is only telling we have to take his shelter so that he will protect. He is the Lord of Vishnu, Lord of what you call Lakshmi. So when you are praying to him, Lakshmi automatically comes to him. And nevertheless, my suggestion is you have to separately pray to the Lakshmi also after reading Vishnu Sahasranamam. That will have added benefits. Shiva and Vishnu, they are not different. Shiva is the one who gives all pious things to you, and by the very word uttering that particular Shiva, any mistakes whenever people are doing, they say Shiva. It's a very good thing. Either Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Shiva, they say. Whenever they hear a bad word, Shiva, they say. So Shiva is purification. That is the idea. Whenever you hear a bad word also, Shiva, say that so that your impurities are going away. You are Suddha. You need not take bath. Govinda Sthanam, they say. Uttering the Govinda itself is sufficient. Om Tat Sat Krishnarpanam.